Hey Python developers, welcome to another WorkStart tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explore how to draw squares using Python's graphics module. This video is perfect for beginners eager to dive into Python programming and create visual projects. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of the graphics and be able to draw squares of various sizes and styles. Before we dive into the details, here are a quick overview of approaches we will cover. Drawing a basic square using Turtle utilizing loops to make the code more efficient. First, let's import the Turtle module, which allows us to create graphics in Python. We initialize the Turtle object and store it in a variable called t. Next, we define the length of each side of the square as 100 emits. Now to draw the square, we move the turtle forward by 100 emits and then turn it right by 90 degrees. Since a square has 4 sides, we repeat this process for 4 times using separate comments. First move forward and turn right, second move forward and turn right. Third move forward and turn right, and finally move forward to complete the square. Once the square is drawn, we call turtle.turn to complete the drawing and keep the window open. Now let's make our code more efficient using a loop. Instead of writing the same 4 comments repeatedly, we use a for loop that runs 4 times. Each time the loop runs, the turtle most forward by 100 emits and turn right by 90 degrees. This simplifies our code while achieving the same result. At the end, we call turtles are done to display the drawing. We have covered the basic of drawing squares using Python's Turtle module. With those functional skills, you can experiment further and create more complex shapes and patterns. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out our other videos on Tartar graphics and Python programming. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy coding!